Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a circle symbol checkbox in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and see this checkbox default. This cross checkbox and check mark checkbox, and I'll make another circle symbol checkbox. Select from option this menu bar, and here you will find the checkbox option. Click here and draw a checkbox location and click right button for your mouse cursor, say properties, and properties dialog box, go option, and here you will find this checkbox, and this is circle symbol, and close, and say this circle symbol already created. Also I will say this existing on this one, I'll make circle and say this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.